Today I want to cover Enviro Rentals hydro excavating model VXS 500-4. This model is currently on a Terramac RT14. The combined weight of this unit is 48,000 pounds. This unit delivers a mere 7.4 pounds per square inch during operation. It utilizes 3 systems that allow 2 operators to hydro excavate down to a depth of 24 feet. This unit has the capability of allowing operators to move from location to location and recirculate the hot, high-pressure water throughout the system to keep from freezing any lines during movement. The high-pressure system utilizes 2 wands, one being the hydro excavating wand and another the cleanup wand. That cleanup wand can actually clean the suction tube, the debris tank, and the stainless steel wire mesh vacuum filter. The winterizing system on this unit allows operators at the end of the workday to circulate 50-50 antifreeze or negative 100-degree antifreeze throughout the system to maintain the system overnight. The displays and control system gives an operator the capability, once the 12 and 24 volt system is energized, he can connect wirelessly to the belly pack. That functionality gives that operator capability to engage the blower unit, increase the high idle RPM on the power unit, raise and lower the boom, extend and contract the boom, rotate the boom left and right, unlock and lock the debris door, raise and lower the debris tank, and turn on the water pressure and maintain it throughout the operation of hydro excavating. The vacuum system has an industry-leading 5,200 CFM at 27 inches of mercury, moving the spoil through the 6-inch suction tube and into the 800-gallon debris tank.